This little 1967 Plymouth Sport Satellite, that's how it started life, was converted to look like a GTX by us about 13 years ago. This is a 13-year-old restoration on this car. Originally it was a teal color, and the owner wanted to make it a black 67 GTX. So still a stunning car. The body and paint is still gorgeous on it. That's what happens when you use good product. Listen to that cam. So it's running a Comp 292 camshaft with a 2500 RPM stall converter. See, it's got the American Racing torque thrust on it, which I'm not a huge fan of. I prefer the Kragers, but that's what the owner wanted. Still just a remarkably nice car. So we end up selling this for the owner to a gentleman that'll be getting it next week. You still see beautiful reflections in that hood. What do you say we go for a little road test? Who's ready to do that? Let's go for a ride. It's a very responsive car. Okay. Boy, that sounds nice too. Track's nice, sounds nice. Okay, go around the corner here. We can open it up a little bit. Runs great. I think the B bodies, especially 66 to 70 B bodies, are such a nice driving car compared to an E body or an A body. If you've ever driven both of them, you'll know what I'm talking about. This is a much richer feeling car. That sounds good, healthy. See that front end come up too. Sorry about that. Turn signal indicator's working. It's autumn in Oregon, folks. We're getting close. See, the leaves are changing colors. It's beautiful. There's our beautiful flag. All right. Thanks for riding along, guys.